Hello friends, welcome to SSP Math. Today we are going to take most important topic, that is the problems on eigenvalues and eigenvector. So first problem is find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of the following matrix A is equal to 1 0 minus 1 1 2 1 2 2 3. So how we find eigenvalues? For eigenvalues, first we have to consider determinant of A minus lambda I equal to 0. Now how we write determinant of A minus lambda I here? A minus lambda I means matrix A is this minus lambda into I, where I is identity matrix of order 3 by 3. So lambda I is identity matrix of order 3 by 3. How we write 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So lambda I, how we write lambda 0 0 0 lambda 0 and 0 0 lambda. So if we subtract that matrix from matrix A, then we can write 1 minus lambda means diagonal एलिमेंट जो है मैट्रिक्स के ए के उससे लैम्बडा सब्सट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा. सो 1 माइनस लैम्बडा 0 माइनस 1 देन 1 2 माइनस लैम्बडा 1 then 2 2 and 3 minus lambda equal to 0. Okay, so now we have to expand this determinant, and how we expand this? For expansion of this determinant we know one formula, lambda cube minus s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda minus determinant of A equal to 0, where s1 is sum of diagonal elements of matrix A. So sum of diagonal elements of matrix A is 1 2 1 plus 2 plus 3. These are the diagonal elements of matrix A, 1 2 3. So if we take summation of this, then we will get 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. S2 is sum of minors of diagonal elements of matrix A. Okay, so sum of minors of diagonal element, first diagonal element is 1, its minor is 2 1 2 3 2 1 2 3 plus second diagonal element is 2, its minor is 1 minus 1 2 3. So plus determinant of 1 minus 1 2 3 plus third diagonal element is 3, its minor is 1 0 1 2. So plus 1 0 1 2. Okay, now if we take expansion of this, that is 3 into 2 6 minus 2 is 4 plus 3 plus 2 is 5, and here 2 minus 0 is 2. So this is equal to 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. So S2 is equal to 11. Now we have to find determinant of given matrix. So determinant is equal to this 1 into its minor, that is 6 minus 2 minus 0 into something is 0 minus 1 into its minor is 2 minus 4. So what is this? This is equal to 6 minus 2 is 4, and 2 minus 4 is minus 2, minus minus plus, that is 2 is equal to 6. So determinant of A is equal to 6. Put the value of S1 S2 and determinant in formula, then we will get lambda cube minus 6 lambda square plus 11 lambda minus 6 is equal to 0. So this is the characteristics polynomial of given matrix. Now what are the eigenvalues? Eigenvalues are the roots of characteristics polynomial. So how we find roots of this cubic polynomial? For that we can use calculator here. So how to find roots of cubic polynomial? First go in mode. In mode, press 1 here, equation, then choose 3 degree because cubic polynomial. So A means that is coefficient of lambda cube, press 1, then press equal. B means coefficient of lambda square is minus 6, then press equal, then coefficient of lambda is 11, then press equal, then the value of D is minus 6. Okay, if you press equal here, then we get first root 3, second root 1, and third root 2, means 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 are the roots of this cubic polynomial. So we can write here lambda is equal to 1 2 3 are the required eigenvalues of given matrix. Okay, so for finding this root you can use synthetic division also, or using calculator we can write directly. Now we can check our eigenvalues are correct or wrong. In last video I already given two nodes. product of eigenvalues is equal to determinant of matrix. So if we take product of eigenvalue here, 1 into 2 into 3, that is 6, is equal to determinant of matrix, and sum of eigenvalues is equal to trace of matrix, that is sum of diagonal elements, means 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6 is equal to S1. Okay, so our eigenvalues are correct. Now after eigenvalues we have to find eigenvector. So to find eigenvector, now how we find eigenvector? For that we have to consider characteristics matrix A minus lambda I into x equal to 0. Now how we write A minus lambda I matrix? That is 1 minus lambda 0 minus 1, 1 2 minus lambda 1, then 2 2 3 minus lambda into x matrix A x y z is equal to 0 0 0. Okay, so this is A minus lambda I into x is equal to 0. Now take one by one eigenvalue. First we have to find first eigenvector for lambda equal to 1, then for lambda equal to 2, and then for lambda equal to 3. So this is say equation 1. Okay, we have to put one by one eigenvalue. Now put lambda is equal to 1 in equation 2, and then consider any two distinct rows, apply Cramer's rule. So if we put lambda is equal to 1 in equation 1, then we will get here 1 minus 1 0 0 minus 1, then 1 2 minus 1 is 1 1, then 2 2 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, into x y z is equal to 0 0 0. Now after this consider any two distinct rows and apply Cramer's rule. Distinct rows means if you observe here R2 and R3 both are same, R2 and R3 same है, R3 को 2 ने डिवाइड किया तो 1 1 1 मिलेगा. So consider R1 and R2 here. So by R1 and R2 means by first and second row we can write first equation 0x plus 0y minus z equal to 0, and second equation is x plus y plus z equal to 0. So these are the two equations in three unknowns. So how we solve this? Using Cramer's rule. So x upon determinant of is equal to minus y upon determinant of is equal to z upon determinant of. So x upon determinant of, write down coefficient of y and z here, that is 0 minus 1, here 1 1 from first and second equation, is equal to minus y upon, write coefficient of x from first equation 0 minus 1, and from second equation right here 1 1, equal to z upon coefficient of x is 0 0 1 1. Okay, and if we expand this, then we will get x upon 0 plus 1, that is 1, equal to minus y upon 0 plus 1, that is 1, and equal to z upon 0. So what are the values of x y z here? X equal to 1, y equal to minus 1, z equal to 0, and therefore first eigenvector x1 is equal to xyz is equal to 1 minus 1 0, or sometimes we can write this minus 1 1 0. Okay, so this is the first eigenvector x1 for the eigenvalue lambda is equal to 1. Okay, then second eigenvalue is lambda equal to 2. So for lambda equal to 2 we have to find again second eigenvector. So put lambda equal to 2 in equation 1. Now put lambda equal to 2 in 1. So if you put lambda equal to 2 in 1, then equation 1 becomes 1 minus 2 is minus 1 0 minus 1 1 2 minus 2 0 1, then 2 2 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, into x y z is equal to 0 0 0. Now after this consider any two distinct rows again. If you observe R1 and R2 both are same here, because if you multiply R1 then we will get R2. So choose R2 and R3 here and apply Cramer's rule by R2 and R3. So using R2 and R3, R2 से हम equation लिखेंगे x plus 0y plus z equal to 0, and from R3 we can write 2x plus 2y plus z equal to 0. These are again two equations in three unknowns solving by Cramer's rule. So how we write here, x upon determinant of is equal to minus y upon determinant of equal to z upon determinant of. So x upon determinant of coefficient of y and z from first equation, that is 0 1 2 1, is equal to minus y upon coefficient of x and z, that is 1 1 2 1, equal to z upon 1 0 2 2. So this implies x upon 0 minus 2, okay, equal to minus y upon 1 minus 2 minus 1, and equal to z upon 2 minus 0. So what are the values of x, y, z here? This minus this minus this minus plus, so we can write x equal to minus 2, y equal to 1, and z equal to 2. So second eigenvector is x2 is equal to minus 2 1 2. Okay, similarly we can find x3 by putting lambda is equal to 3 in equation 1. So if we put lambda equal to 3 in equation 1, then equation 1 becomes 1 minus 3 is minus 2, 0 minus 1, then 1, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, 1, and last row becomes 2, 2, 3 minus 3 is 0 into x, y, z is equal to 0 0 0. Here also consider two distinct rows. So what are the distinct rows here? I think all three rows are distinct. You can choose any two rows. So if we choose here R1 and R2, say, so using R1 we can write first equation, that is minus 2x plus 0y minus z equal to 0, minus 2x plus 0y minus 2x plus 0y minus z equal to 0. And from R2, so if we choose R1 and R2, from that we will get here from R1 we get this equation, from R2 we get this equation, and again solve these two equations using Cramer's rule. So x upon coefficient of y and z, that is 0 minus 1 from first row, minus 1 1, equal to minus y upon determinant of minus 2 minus 1 1 1, equal to z upon determinant of minus 2 0 1 minus 1. Okay, and if we expand this, then we will get x upon 0 minus minus plus again minus, that is minus 1, equal to minus y upon minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, and equal to z upon 2 minus 0 is 2. So this minus plus, so x equal to minus 1, y equal to 1, z equal to 2. So third eigenvalue is x3, eigenvector is x3 is equal to minus 1 1 2. Okay, so this is the third eigenvector for lambda equal to 3. Next problem is find eigenvalues and eigenvectors of matrix A equal to 1 1 1 0 2 1 0 0 3. Now observe this matrix carefully. This matrix is upper triangular matrix because elements below the diagonals are 0, and if given matrix is triangular matrix, then what are its eigenvalues? Its eigenvalues are its diagonal elements. So lambda equal to 1 2 3 are the eigenvalues of this matrix. No need to find separately here. If given matrix is triangular matrix, then its diagonal elements are its eigenvalues. So write down directly here, lambda equal to 1 2 3 are the eigenvalues, and you try for eigenvector. For eigenvector we have to take here a minus lambda I into x equal to 0. Write a minus lambda I matrix, take x is x y z or x1 x2 x3, put lambda 1 by 1, find first eigenvector for lambda equal to 1, that is x1, second eigenvector for lambda equal to 2, that is x2, and third eigenvector for lambda equal to 3, that is x3. So you try this. If you have any doubt, then comment me in comment section. Thank you.